Open the battery cover. Install the battery. Close the battery cover. Tighten the screws on both sides. Install the antennas. Installation of sonar arm. The upgraded version. Rotate to 90 degrees and tighten the screws. Connect the arm to the sonar. Remove the plug. Install the sonar arm into the aligned mounting hole and tighten the screw. The sonar arm has been installed. The regular version. Connect the arm to the sonar. Install the connecting piece. Connect the two parts. Please make sure to tighten it firmly. Install the sonar arm into the aligned mounting hole. The sonar arm has been installed. Connect the boat to the remote control. Press the power button to turn on the boat. Long press the remote control power button to power on. Wait for a few seconds. Then the remote control in the fishing boat will automatically connect. How to connect the bait boat and the app. Download the Ripton Boat app. Double-click to enter the Setup menu. Pull down the joystick and find the communication methods. Right-turn the joystick. Choose one communication method. Open the app. Select CatchX Mini Ultra. Enter Settings. Turn off the learner mode. Zoom in and zoom out to preload the map. Enter Settings. Select communication methods that are consistent with the remote control. Open the Ripton Boat app to prepare for connection. Enter Settings. Select Wi-Fi communication. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Connect Wi-Fi RIPMINI. The password is 12345678. Waiting for connection. Connection successfully. How to connect the bait boat and the sonar. Choose Bluetooth communication. Select CatchX Mini Ultra. Enter Settings. Select Bluetooth in the app, and then the connection is successful. Put the sonar in the water. Open the Wi-Fi settings in the settings of your mobile phone. Find the sonar and bait boat Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi named RIP Ultra and connect to it. The password is 12345678. Return to the boat control interface. You can see that the sonar Wi-Fi is connected, but the sonar still needs to be repaired. Return to the Wi-Fi interface and remember the numbers in RIP. Remember this number. Click Change. Input the numbers named RIP. Return to the Wi-Fi interface again. Turn off, then turn on Wi-Fi and refresh. Wait until an Ultra Wi-Fi appears with numbers matching the sonar Wi-Fi. Connect to a new Wi-Fi. The password is 12345678. Connected successfully. Check the name of the sonar that is connected properly. Click sonar button. Now you can enjoy your fishing to the fullest.